Today, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step guide to joining the NodePay airdrop from your phone, whether you're on Android or iOS. If you've ever wanted to dive into a crypto airdrop without the usual confusion, stick around and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at grabbing those rewards. Step 1. Visiting NodePay's registration page. Okay, first things first, head to the NodePay registration page. Just click the link below in the description or pinned comment to get there. Super simple. Now, once you're on that page, you're halfway to your free crypto. Bonus tip, while you're there, make sure to use the referral code SH2QXUHCS6JJZO if you see a space for it. This code could give you some extra rewards, so don't skip it. Free points are free points, right? Step 2, setting up your account. Now this part is as easy as signing up for any app you've ever used. Just fill in the basics, name, email, password, and double check your info. Trust me, you don't want to mess up your email here. This is your ticket to verifying your account and locking in those points. Hit submit and boom, you've got a NodePay account. Easy peasy. Step 3, verifying your account. Crucial step. After signing up, you'll need to verify your account through an email link. Head to your inbox, find the email from NodePay, and click that link. This verification isn't just a formality. It's the key to activating your account and earning a quick 100 bonus points. Think of it as a head start before you even dive into the app. Step 4, download the NodePay app. Now let's get this app on your phone. Whether you're Team Android or Team iOS, I've got you covered. Android users, go to the Google Play Store, search for NodePay, and hit install. Or use the link below if you're feeling lazy. iOS users, same deal. Hop over to the App Store, find NodePay, and tap Get. Once it's downloaded, you'll have NodePay right on your home screen, ready to use whenever you want to check your points. Step 5, logging into your NodePay account. Now that you've got the app, it's time to log in. Open NodePay, type in your username, not your email, just a heads up, and password. For extra convenience, toggle that Remember Me switch. This way you won't have to log in each time. Simple but saves you time in the long run. Step 6, navigating the homepage. Alright, so you're in. When you first log in, don't be shocked when you see a big fat 0 in your balance. Everyone starts here. But here's where it gets interesting. NodePay has a feature called data blocks. Each data block earns you points every hour, and as a new user, you've got 8 slots to fill. Claiming data blocks. These blocks earn you about 75 points each. When they fill up, just claim them to keep the rewards coming. If they fill up and you don't claim, the app won't add more blocks until you clear the full ones. So keep an eye on this to keep those points rolling in. Step 7, claim your daily reward. NodePay also throws in a daily login bonus of 100 points. Think of it as a loyalty reward just for opening the app. It's small but stacks up fast if you make it a habit. Pro tip, set a reminder if you need to. Just a quick login every day will keep your balance growing without lifting a finger. Hey, if you're finding this useful so far, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps more people see this guide, and you'll be the first to know about future airdrops and crypto hacks. Plus, it really supports the channel. Step 8, track your earnings statistics. NodePay has this handy graph under the earnings statistics page where you can check out all your point sources. Here's the breakdown. Referrals, points you get when others sign up with your referral link. Referral network earnings, points from people who join through your referrals. Daily bonuses, the 100 points you get from daily logins. Network activity, points earned from broader activity in your referral network. This graph is like your earnings dashboard. If you want to increase your points, keep an eye on it to see what's working best for you. Step 9, boosting earnings with the referral program. Here's the fun part if you're feeling extra ambitious. NodePay's referral program, every friend or family member who signs up with your referral link gets you 100 points. And if you hit 10 referrals, you get an extra 1,000 point bonus. Not bad for just sharing a link, right? Now, if you don't want to focus on referrals, that's cool too. But if you're serious about maximizing points, definitely give it a shot. All right, you're now fully equipped to dive into the NodePay airdrop. You've got your account set up, the app installed, and you're ready to start stacking those points daily. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe. This way, you won't miss out on more crypto tips and airdrop guides. Stick with us to keep leveling up your crypto game. Thanks for watching, and go get that free crypto.